Varmt välkommen till den 27:e internationella Stockholms filmfestival.
I've had a major heart attack. I've been told by my doctor I'm not supposed to go back to work yet.
I'm afraid you must continue to look for work, or your benefit payments will be frozen.
There must be some mistake.
The doctor says you can't work, you'll die if you work. The state insists on assessing them again. Say, we don't care what the doctor says, we're going to test you again. And a lot of those are told, no, you can work. But they can't. So there's this contradiction. And in a way, this is a hidden story. So we thought we should really try to tell that story of the bureaucratic tangle, the bureaucratic nightmare that people are in, who just cannot survive on the money they have. And it's so widespread that in the we now have these charities that provide food for people who otherwise wouldn't eat. In one group of food banks, not them all, one group, 1,100,000 food parcels were handed out for a temporary measure, many of those for children. So we just thought it's a story we ought to tell.
Okay, so now we open the 27
27
International
Stockholm Film Festival.